rin po yung lineup ng performers nyo ngayon.
Yes.
Po talagang in sa mga kabataan, sa mga kids.
Alright,
Opo.
so, how did you come up po with the lineup of performers?
In fact, we have a very young team, no. Even the type of topics that they are being discussed, we have a poll every year before the start of the Global Youth Summit. Around 3,000 of them around the Philippines, we run a survey. Ano po yung gusto nyong pag-usapan sa SDG? Yan po yung mga nilalabas nila, and then we get the top 5, and then that's how it comes about, no, that we are able to choose. And then of course we run a survey, sino yung gusto niyo makasama sa GYS. So may mga lumalabas sa mga pangalan, and then we invite them. Sasabihin namin, oh, lumabas po kayo sa aming poll, kayo po ang hinahanap nila, would you be able to share, no, your talent and skill? And most of them are really pro bono. They do it for free. Kasi sabi namin, even for those that we invite here, it's all for free.
Ginawa po nila to for free.
Yes.
Horizon said yes to that.
Most of them, they do. No? So there's a lot of support even for them. It's really an advocacy project.
This year, because first it's bigger. We've been to 17 locations in the Philippines, plus this one is our 18th location. So this is our culminating event. So we managed to go from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao for us to be able to reach more young people. So because traditionally we're doing Global Youth Summit here in Metro Manila, but this time we're trying to reach as many locations in the country.
So just to give us a brief background and a refresher, why are we doing this?
I'm a firm believer of empowering young people because I've experienced that myself. So I've been part of Global Youth Summit for the last 12 years. I'm one of the founding organizing team of it. We're doing this because we believe in young people. We believe that they are already leaders today, that they are already doing and giving their best in whatever field, in their communities, in their schools. So we wanted to harness the very potential of young people, for them to be part of giving solutions to the different challenges that we are facing.